Do you think the Broncos or the Panthers are gonna win?
Panthers.
Panthers are gonna win too.
You know nothing about football.
Shut up. I'm trying to know what day.
Hey.
Hey.
The mic's off again. I keep forgetting. This damn mic, it drives me nuts. I mean, I love it, but
Really?
it drives me nuts. Do they have the Bernie Sanders one here? Is it free? Alright. Alright. Not 100% sure where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Let me in. Thanks. It is cold in this car. It's like a solid 10-degree difference between here and Massachusetts, but we're going somewhere, so that's fun. All right, we at the mall, the worst mall in America. And they may not have many stores, but let me tell you, they have a bouncy castle, so. Sad and pathetic, pathetic and sad. Oh, here we go. This is what we came here for. This is what she came here for, just to clarify. Alright. I don't care. Let's just get away from this mall. Super Bowl Sunday. We're going somewhere again. Hey yo. Super Bowl. Super Bowl. I do this every time tour. Start the car, get it nice and warm. I guess she can come in. So here's the situation.
Maybe we should get you, I don't know, windshield wipers today?
Maybe you should be quiet. Oh!
Maybe you should clean out your car because it's a mess.
I do what I want. Something's going on. Walmart. I had one mission when I came here, Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna learn to solve it again. All right, give me a color.
Orange.
Orange. Solved. Super Bowl. For the record, I had the Panthers before this game, so we'll see how it pans out. It's not looking too good right now, though, but there's a chance. There's always a chance. Well, shit.